So I hope you've had a chance to work through your cash flow worksheet for the next 6 months, 9 months, maybe even through the upcoming year. One of the things that I find the most valuable about the exercise or the template of the cash flow worksheet is seeing that the decisions that I'm making in my business right now have an impact 6 months down the line, 12 months down the line in terms of cash, in terms of what's called liquidity. Liquidity is the ability of cash to flow through your business. If there's no liquidity, there's no cash. And so being that we're going through a crisis right now, you're likely seeing cash dry up at some point in your business. In the events industry, that's a very real thing happening right now. You may have already seen it in your business. Hopefully you had some sort of runway so that you're not seeing it for a while. If you're not going to see it for a while, that's what's really impactful for the cash flow plan is you may see that dip 4 months from now. And by shifting certain things within your cash flow plan, pulling out certain little nuggets of expenses, seeing how maybe retainers flow into your system or spreading out client payments, you can really, in a way, manipulate your cash flow so that it works to your advantage. Now, if you have a really huge dip, there's only so much manipulation that you can do, and that's where you're likely going to have to seek other sources of income. But start with really, playing with those client payments and seeing if you can streamline some of those monies that are due much later in time, whether it's winter or 2021, and see if you can work with your clients to pay you a little bit earlier or in a payment plan. And then really revisit your expenses and seeing what are the things that you can cut out. What are the concessions that you can make with your landlord or with loan companies or lenders and that sort of thing, so that you can hopefully get to a point where wherever you have that dip in your cash flow plan in upcoming months, you're able to steady it out a little bit and not have, a lack of liquidity, which is really what the goal is. So whatever questions you have about the cash flow plan, please circle back. I love seeing all your emails and I'm happy to help if I can.